If your 370Z sounds like an airplane going down the highway, this might be why. Let's talk about it. Some of the symptoms of a bad wheel bearing: growling, ABS light, wheel play, uneven tire wear. The tools you're going to need for this job: impact, breaker bar, sockets, torque wrench, penetrating oil, a hammer, and a hub puller if necessary. The first step is to remove that wheel and the brake assembly. Refer to my other video if you don't know how to do that. 21 millimeter. I'll move that rotor. No bueno. Back of the wheel hub has 2 bolts at the top and 2 bolts at the bottom. We're gonna get in there and take those out. And these are 17 millimeter. Breaker bar. You're gonna find the knuckle is in your way on that bottom bolt. That's where a swivel comes in handy. You're gonna need a very thin ratchet to get to this other one. Otherwise, you're gonna have to pull the knuckle off the lower control arm. I got by with a tensioner puller. It was thin enough to get on that socket. Torquing it down is gonna be a whole nother problem. There's also a 10 millimeter bolt for your ABS sensor. You want to remove that. Pull the ABS sensor out before you start this so you don't break it. Now with all 4 bolts removed, in the perfect world, this pulls right off. This is not a perfect world, it's seized on. So we're gonna hit it front and rear with some penetrating oil and let that soak in a little bit. And then I'll come back with a slide hammer, bang it off. We want to clean this hub face and this interior out really good before putting in our new hub assembly. You can use a wire brush or steel wool or a flapper wheel. You don't want to get too aggressive because this is aluminum. Just looking for smooth and clean so everything goes in and everything sits flush. Put our dust shield back in place. Put in our new wheel hub. You want to make sure you got it in the right orientation. If you put this in upside down, your ABS sensor won't slide back in. So if the ABS sensor isn't bottoming out, you got it in upside down. Just flip it over. If I tried to rotate this way, the sensor won't bottom out all the way. If I flip it this way, the ABS sensor slides all the way in. Now we can reinstall our bolts and torque that down. I apologize for the fan in the background. The heat index today is like 110. I got my door shut, AC, portable AC running, my fan wide open, and it's still hot. 65 foot-pounds. We'll go ahead and reinstall our ABS sensor and the 10 millimeter bolt. If you were stopping here, you'd want to go ahead and clean off the back of your rotor before you put your rotor back on here. Put your brakes back together, tire back on, and you're good to go. I still got more suspension work to do on this, so I'm going to keep on. No more play, we're good to go.